13 October, Friday. Choose light over darkness. Whoever is not with me is against me. Today's readings present us with powerful messages about the battle between light and darkness in our lives. It converges on the central theme of choosing the path of righteousness over the allure of evil. The prophet Joel calls us to repentance, while Jesus warns us of the consequences of spiritual complacency. Joel reminds us that genuine repentance is not merely an external deed, but a conversion of the heart. We are called to rend our hearts, tearing down the barriers we have built against God's love and grace. In the Gospel, Jesus casts out a demon, emphasizing the spiritual warfare that surrounds us. He warns against the danger of an empty soul, inviting darker forces to take residence within us. Our world is plagued by various forms of darkness: hatred, greed, corruption, crime, fundamentalism, religious intolerance, poverty, casteism, child labor, vandalizing religious properties, gender discrimination, violence against women, ecological crisis, indifference, moral decay, etc. However, we are not powerless in the face of these challenges. We can choose to follow God's path and embrace the light of His love by responding to these issues and becoming voices of injustices. If we remain silent, spectators of the inequities in our society, evil forces will engulf our minds. Guard your hearts by tearing down the barriers and fighting against the evils in society. Pray and practice. Lord, transform us and empower us to be agents of change in a world that desperately needs your healing touch.